Well, hello and welcome. I believe this will be Christmas Day when this video goes out. So happy Christmas to everyone, happy holidays. I absolutely fully know that this Christmas is a Christmas that probably none of us have ever had before, the type of Christmas that we're going to have this year, without some loved ones and being able to travel or even go out. But you know what? We've really got to make this, well, we've got to make the best out of a bad situation. So I'm just hoping that you guys are all well, and you know, if you're alone, hopefully you can ring a friend or sit and have a chat or a drink with a neighbour. Don't be alone if that's not what you want. So I'm just, concerned for you all and hoping that you've all got somebody in your lives to be able to chat to. Well, without further ado, let's get into the painting. And the next big thing I want to do for Christmas Day is to wish Sue Kleinschmidt. I always get I got poor Sue's surname wrong before, and I am so sorry, Sue, but I'm wishing you happy birthday on Christmas Day. So happy birthday to you, Sue. Thank you for being one of my loyal subscribers and always commenting and being involved in my channel. I thank you so much. So thank you, Sue. Big heart, big hugs. One day we'll meet each other, because I believe Sue lives in, I think you live in New South Wales, don't you, Sue? Not sure, but you'll let me know. So all right, without further ado, I've got my paints pre-mixed up, ready to go. The pouring medium is in the drop-down box. Today I did not add any silicone to my paint. Instead, I added a tablespoon of floetrol, the Aussie floetrol, to my mix. I'm using Global Paints, are back and running. They're Australian made paints, made here in Australia. Well worth supporting homemade product. The Australian paints are available at Capriole Shabby Chic online, very reasonable price and absolutely super duper colours. I have got so many of these colours to go through in the coming weeks. I will be putting them all on canvas and trying different things with them. They're going to be available in Europe, USA, Canada, I believe all over the place via Amazon by the end of January, so I'm told. So everybody will be able to get hold of them. I've noticed that the lovely Molly of Molly's Artistry shown that she'd got all the global colours, and Molly's in the USA. So Molly had got all the colours and she'd got all the high flows. So I well and truly believe they're going to be a market shake-up, because they're Australian made, a good product, and what better to support that. Okie dokie, let's get going. Now I'm going to split this canvas. I don't know where I got that from. I'm going to start with my Berry Delicious. As you know, I make, this is a custom colour I make up. I make it out of, I've made this one out of magenta, the global magenta. I added some of the dark blue and I added a little blob of black, and it sends it this gorgeous, gorgeous colour. Do I want to go, I want it, yeah, why not? I want it off centre, so I don't want, I'm not one for having things symmetrical and centered. I like things off center, a bit like myself. Okie doke, let's get going. So I'm going to just spread this absolutely gorgeous color. I just love it. I love it, love it, love it. Maybe I can talk to Global about making this colour up for us. They may already sell it. It's like an eggplant colour, but this is my custom colour and I just love using it. Very nice. I will worry about the very sides in a little bit, not just yet. So I'm going to try my best at being minimalistic. I know you don't believe me, and neither do I. Okie doke, this was, what colour was this? It was the global, I forget what it's called, ultraviolet, global ultraviolet. So here we go. I'm going to do the second half of the canvas. These colours go lovely together, so there's no, they'll be very, very nice together, I believe. I hope you're not eating too much today, and if you're watching this several days after Christmas, I hope you had a good one, because I believe everybody will be pretty busy on Christmas Day, not watching YouTube videos, I don't believe. But anyway, I wanted this to go out Christmas Day. So that's special wishes for Sue, who had, shame that she has a birthday on Christmas Day, because like mine is the beginning of January, and you get people from a child give me presents on Christmas Day and say, oh, that's your birthday present as well, so you don't get to get you separate. Anyway, it's all good. What I'm doing is the gorgeous gold here of Global's metallic gold. Yeah, metallic gold, beautiful. Am I or aren't I? Shall I or shan't I? I'm just thinking before I actually set to do those things, I might, I'm just gonna do a swipe. I just want to test something before I, no, I don't want to go that way. Okay, it was just a test. So, excuse-moi. This gold, I'll go as I intended with the gold. So the gold is gorgeous with that, very delicious. It's really lovely. There we go. This is the pearl white from Global. Pearl, do I want to? Yes, why not? I've got some bronze, metallic, oh actually this is metallic copper. Some of that in there too. Doesn't matter if I've got a few little spots there. Absolutely all good. Now do I want to add, just debating whether to go with this red. I might be pushing me luck, but I will put a bit in here. Really would like to, this is just a lid. I'm just going to put some of this. This is the Amsterdam white mixed with just floetrol only. I just want to maybe use a bit on the lid to dip into. I know it's a bit unconventional, but who likes anyway, let's get to this. Maybe I should have, with the last bits of my Amsterdam white that I do have left in this container, So it's really good to mix this up in a pouring, you know, a squirty container, if you can get it to come out. What's going on? There you go. Just 1, 2. Let's do this, just see if this works. Maybe I'll go up this way first. Oh, look at that lace. Lovely lace. Beautiful. I'm dipping it into that white as well as what I've got already on my canvas. And it is just creating the most gorgeous gem cells. Beautiful. And I don't mind that it's missing, because when I bring you in to show you that effect, it's pretty stunning. There you go. Wow. I like it. I like it. Completely do something that I did not intend doing, but I'm going to just try it. So I'm dipping it again just in this white plus what I've put down, and I'm going to see what it looks like swiping the whole thing. It is leaving some awesome effects. I think you'll like it if you do give this a go yourself. It is just like gems back there. Wowzers, trousers. That's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Very, very nice. Soft and just looks stunning. I'm going to bring the camera down and give you a little squizzy. So here we are, the close-up look, and this is just shimmering away because it's got those metallic gold and the bronze, and it's just light and wispy in those areas. A few little things like there I'm going to swipe out a little bit further, and then as you come into this very delicious, look at that lacing, look at that. That is gorgeous. Sorry about the reflection on my overhead lights, but look, they just look like gemstones. And then the lace, lovely lace. Look at this, look at that. Wow. I still get excited with my paints, I do, until I don't. I will definitely keep doing this. So there you go, there's the whole thing up. So wait on for the dried photos, and I just wish you all a very happy Christmas, and next year has to be better for us all. I really truly hope so. But keep safe, people, keep happy, reach out to somebody if you are alone or feeling not so good. Please reach out. And until tomorrow, there will be another pour tomorrow. So all my love to all of you and your support, you and your family. Just have a good one. Until tomorrow, bye for now. So there you go, I balloon kissed the work and I'm so much happier with it now. Hope you enjoyed it. Until tomorrow, bye for now.